In this video, I'll share the best no-code tools to build apps without writing a single line of code. Whether you want a simple mobile app, a full web app, or just to test out an idea fast, these tools will help you get started. Links to the best deals are in the description. Let's get started. Criteria. We look at 3 things in this video. First, how easy each tool is to use if you've never coded before. Next, how much you can actually build with it, from simple apps to complex ones. And lastly, what you get for the price. Now, before we dive in, let's quickly rule out a few other names you might know. Backendless is powerful, but it feels more like a developer's tool than a true no-code. Bravo Studio is great for designers, but it's not the best all-around option. Xano is excellent for backends, but it's not a complete app builder on its own. Instead, we'll focus on the tools that give you the best mix of simplicity, flexibility, and results. Bubble, Glide, Adalo, Softr, and Base44. First up is Bubble, the heavyweight in this space. It's been around for more than 10 years and lets you build almost any kind of web app you can imagine. Want to make a marketplace, a SaaS product, or even your own version of Airbnb? Bubble can handle it. The editor feels like a mix of Canva and Excel. You drag elements onto a page, link them to your database, and set up workflows for logic. It's powerful, but the learning curve is steep. Expect to spend time on tutorials before things really click. Now, what makes Bubble special is its ecosystem. It has the largest plugin marketplace of any no-code tool. With ready-made features you can drop straight into your app. The community is huge too, with thousands of tutorials, templates, and experts available if you need help. Bubble offers a free plan, with paid plans starting at $32 per month. The trade-off is performance. Bubble apps aren't always the fastest, and scaling can get expensive. But if you want maximum flexibility and don't mind the learning curve, Bubble is your tool. Next is Glide, which is all about speed and clean design. It takes data from a Google Sheet or Excel file and instantly turns it into a mobile app. Everything looks polished right out of the box, so you don't need to worry about design. Glide apps work as progressive web apps. They run in a browser, but feel like native mobile apps. You can test them on your phone instantly and even add AI features like turning audio into text. Now, unlike most tools, Glide makes every app look professional without much effort, which is why it's popular with teams that don't have designers. Glide also leans toward bigger businesses. It's built for internal tools, directories, and mobile dashboards that medium or large companies can roll out across their teams. Now, that said, it's not the most flexible option if you need very custom logic. Glide has a free plan, with paid plans starting at $25 per month. If you want something quick, mobile first, and beautiful by default, Glide is your best bet. Now, let's talk about Adalo, which stands out because it builds real mobile apps you can publish straight to the Apple App Store and Google Play. Most no-code tools can't do that as smoothly. The editor is drag and drop and comes with plenty of templates, so you can make something that looks and works like a professional app. You can also make responsive web apps and progressive web apps, PWAs, with it, giving you multiple ways to reach users. Adalo has a strong plugin marketplace too, with extras like QR code readers, TikTok-style video feeds, and more advanced components you can drop in without coding. Adalo has a free plan, with paid plans starting at $45 per month. The only trade-off is that while it's great for mobile publishing, very large or complex apps might need extra backend support. But if getting your app live in these stores is the priority, Adalo is the winner. Moving on to Softr, the easiest tool of the bunch. You build apps by stacking blocks, almost like Lego pieces. It connects directly with Airtable or Google Sheets, making it perfect for membership sites, directories, and client portals. It shines for beginners, quick to learn, lots of templates, and SEO built in so people can find your app online. Softr has also started focusing more on internal tools for medium and larger companies. So it's not just for side projects anymore. There's a free plan, with paid plans starting at $59 per month. The downside is that Softr doesn't come with its own database. You'll need Airtable, Sheets, or another data source. But that simplicity is also its strength. If you want to build your first app with almost no stress, Softr is the best place to start. Finally, we come to Base 44, and this one feels like the future of no-code. Here's how it works. You type your idea into a chat box, brainstorm in discussion mode, and then Base 44 builds the app for you. Database, logins, payments, hosting, everything. Design is visual too. Click, change colors or layouts, and hit publish. Your app goes live in seconds with no messy setup. What makes it special is the all-in-one setup. Base 44 doesn't just give you screens. It also creates your database, handles user roles, emails, file uploads, Stripe payments, even adds analytics and version control. With most builders, you'd need 5 different tools for that. Here, it's all in one place. It also connects to HubSpot, Monday.com, Slack or Twilio right away, and Zapier opens doors to thousands more like Google Sheets or Trello. Iteration is smooth too. Just chat with the AI again to add a feature or change a layout, and your live app updates instantly. Base 44 starts free with paid plans from $20 per month. Higher tiers add custom domains, GitHub sync, and extra credits. Base 44 is fast, complete, and simple. You go from idea to a live app in minutes, something the others just can't match. So here's a recap. Go with Bubble if you want maximum power and flexibility. Glide for simple mobile-first apps. Adalo if you need your app in the app stores. Softr for complete beginners. But if you want the real breakthrough, the tool that takes your words and turns them into a working app in minutes, the winner is Base 44. It's not just another builder. It's the fastest, simplest, and most complete way to bring your ideas to life. If you would like to try Base 44 for yourself, the link is provided in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.